Hi, in this video we're going to talk about depression, anxiety. These two issues are separate, they're different, but oftentimes they're linked together. One can lead to the other, so we're going to talk about them together. Anxiety causes people, you feel your heart beat fast and you sweat on your palm of your hand, your back of your back or chest. And you feel things are closing in, and you have trouble moving on from the task, and your mind is take over. Your thoughts is random. It can be repetitive. It can be random, and you can have fear. Depression, usually people feel is you lose interest of doing things, even things that you used to enjoy very much. You have lost your interest. It can also make you feel alone, very lonely, although you can be in a group of people, but you feel very lonely. And oftentimes people like to isolate themselves. They want to be alone, and you feel really dark. Things seem hopeless. So how acupuncture can help with this? Chinese medicine and acupuncture actually practiced for thousands of years. There are tons of cases of treating anxiety and depression. Basically, your body is imbalanced when you suffer from anxiety and depression. What we do is we put acupuncture points in acupuncture. We put needle in certain acupuncture points to open up the channels and restore your body's function, and also calm the mind. When the mind is calm, you will feel you have found a solid ground that you can stand on, and slowly but surely get your sense of a reality back. I often joke with my patient. I said, I cannot change your life circumstances, but I can change how you perceive it. When your perception is different, even though it can be a very difficult life situation, when you perceive it differently, you oftentimes find a way, and a lot of time you actually find opportunity to improve your life circumstances. Let me share with you an example. I have a patient who's a software engineer, and he has worked for this firm for over 10 years. He worked really hard and slowly improved his skills and moved up even into a management position. But his company not doing well financially, so they let him go. So he suffered from depression when he lost his job. He came to me. I treated him for 7 weeks. At week 7, he came in smiling. I was very surprised, but very pleasantly surprised. I asked him, how come? He said he just had a breakthrough of the situation. He said he actually realized this is the best thing that ever happened to him, because he didn't really like his job. He worked long hours and very tired, had very little time of his own to do exercise and enjoy life. He was basically for the security of financial situation that he made himself a prisoner. He's working there because he needs the money to survive on, but he didn't really enjoy his work, nor did he enjoy his life. And then after the treatment, that he's slowly getting to the point that this is actually opportunity for him to find a job that he really liked. He realized that he really liked to work out in the gym, and he with the little time that he had, he goes to the gym to work out. That bring him tremendous amount of joy. So he decided he wanted to get certified as a personal trainer. Through that, he can help people to gain their health through working out. And he's very excited that he found his passion. So this is just an example that how acupuncture in Chinese herbal medicine can treat anxiety and depression. Basically, we calm the mind and open up the channels So your mind is clear and you feel like you're standing on solid ground, and your body is healthy, and you can get your life back.